Hi, my name is Nicole Greenhouse and I am a professional makeup artist and esthetician. I'm here today with Abella Skin Care line and we're going to go over their products with my lovely model Zaina. I'm going to do an application on her. They have a full line of skin care products that specify gentle skin, sensitive skin, and also sun protection. We already had Zaina wash with the dual cleanser, which is a very mild cleanser for all skin types. It has vitamin A, vitamin E, aloe, and cucumber, which is really soothing to the skin. And it also removes all of your makeup. Everything from your eye makeup, mascara. I've used it for, over a decade now. Have washed my face after doing Halloween makeup and it takes everything off, and really my skin feels so good afterwards. So she's already cleansed with that today. The first product that I'm gonna apply is the Abella Vitamin C Serum. The Vitamin C Serum is a 12% absorbic acid. This is my go-to serum before makeup application, morning and night. It helps hydrate the skin. It stimulates collagen production. Vitamin C in general just is so good for you. It improves the elasticity of the skin. It helps diminish hyperpigmentation. It's totally hydrating, so it's my go-to. I apply the Abella serum. I usually use a brush, but you can use your fingers, that's fine, which I just take the pumps and put them in my fingers and rub them together, tap it on the face, and then rub it in. But in this case, I'm just gonna use my brush and just kind of get it all around. You're gonna go right to about the top of the cheekbone because the serum itself will actually spread up a little bit, so you don't have to go really close to the eyes. It'll start taking down this redness that she has right away, because that's one of the benefits of using vitamin C. And I'm gonna move right into using one of my favorite products of theirs, which is called ColorShade, which comes in a little tube like this. The great thing about it is that it has 4 color ranges. Here, so you can see there's a light, a medium, a dark, and an ebony. You're really able to use this day or night. One of the main features that is that it's a full UVA, UVB protection, and you can use it as a foundation and actually contour and highlight with it. So what I like to do is conceal in underneath the eyes and in her T-zone area, and then obviously blending with her skin tone on her face. And so I'm gonna start with the light shade and applying it underneath the eye. I mixed a little bit of the medium and the light to go ahead and get this concealer color underneath for her, and as you can see that it's doing a really nice job of covering her up. And of course the benefits is that it has the SPF 35 full coverage on there, and it also has green tea, vitamin D, and vitamin E, so those benefits of those vitamins are really good, especially for her skin, which is obviously a little bit sensitive with her breakout. So we want to make sure that it's healing the skin. Definitely the vitamin D and E heal the skin, and the green tea is a great antioxidant. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish applying. And one of the great things about the ColorShade is that it does not clog the pores. So I've literally used this on teenagers who are going through a lot of hormonal changes this is 10 years plus that I've been using the Abella product line. So it's really an honor to be able to work with them and educate you guys on how great the product is. I'm gonna do a little bit of the ebony with the dark to give it a little bit more of a defined. You can see it on wet, and then just gonna pat that in, define the cheekbone. If you want to, you can take an extra with the brush and go around and define the jawline. Just have some fun with it. But it'll give you a completed look, so you're not having to go ahead and use a whole bunch of different products. You can just really use the Abella and kind of go. A couple other facts about the ColorShade is that it's really easy to use every day. Obviously here in Florida, we want to make sure that we protect our skin from the sun on a daily basis. And then any post-procedure, whether you're going to the dermatologist and having a skin peel done, a facial, something more severe, if you're doing a more intense peel, you can use this product immediately before you even walk outside and put it on your skin to protect it from the outside elements, and it's super gentle. It's also PABA free and water resistant. Okay, so basically I've done her full face of some sunscreen, right, with the SPF 35, but it's used for me, most of the time it's used as a foundation. However, if you need to, you can use your own foundation, your concealer with it. The main thing is that you're getting that sun protection on a day-to-day basis. And then also if you have teenagers and they're looking to start a routine for skincare, especially if they're having breakouts, some of them really get excited about using the Abella because it is kind of like a makeup. So in addition, some feedback that I get from my clients when they're using it is some women love to have the glow like she has and they just really embrace that look, and some women want to have a little bit more of a matte look. So I'll just take something like a regular translucent powder and you can easily just pat it on to the skin, to the T-zone area, and you'll see it just takes that shine down and will kind of set it. So it's really a personal choice of how you use the makeup. One of the great things about Abella, there's so many, obviously I've gone over so many of them, is that it's versatile, that you can use it with your own foundation or you can use it alone. It's not tested on animals and cruelty free, and if you need samples, we can get you samples of it, and it's also great to take with you if you're traveling.